What's going on, guys? Today we'll be making a scale ice chest. I recently bought a 3D printer, so it's time to start making scale accessories. I modeled the ice chest in Fusion 360 in 1/10 scale and then sent it to print. So here it is after it's been sanded, primed, and then sanded again with 320 grit sandpaper. I'm pretty happy with the finish. It's still got a little bit of line to it, but it's not too bad. So now I'm gonna make sure it's all dry and then spray the first coat of gray. I got it pretty close. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting, but I got it pretty close. So let's see what it looks like on the ice chest itself. The paint is a little more watery than I'd like. As you can see, I have a little bit of a run here. I'll try to clean that up. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a second coat of this light gray. I'm not so much worried about the top and bottom of the ice chest because they will be a darker gray. Now I'll just have to let this dry before I can mask it up for the dark gray. So while that's drying, I'll go ahead and work on finishing the straps. For the straps, I used a piece of shoestring cut to length and then glued in the center to form the sewed handle part. As you can see, I have one finished already. I'll go ahead and make the other one now. I ended up using these binder clips here as a way to secure and hold down the shoestring while it glues together. I'll also show how I made the two handles on each side. It's the same piece of shoestring, just glued directly down the center and folded in half. On the end of the straps on the side of the bag, the Yeti has these little hooks. And while I could have 3D printed hooks to look exactly like the hooks on the bag, I figured just these paperclip hooks would work fine. This is just a large paperclip folded and bent into shape. The glue is now dry enough for me to do the other side, so I'll just add another little bead of glue and fold it over. Now that my light gray has dried, I'm going to mask up those areas so that I can spray the dark gray. I just finished mixing the dark gray. It's pretty close to exactly what I want, so I'm happy with it. And now I'll just go ahead and spray the darker gray. Hopefully the camera will pick up the difference in the two colors. The last bit of painting is adding a little more detail and then spraying a matte clear coat. The handles are now put in place with a little super glue. Unfortunately, I wasn't happy with how the hooks turned out, so I left them off of this first one. I'll definitely be making a few more of these to try to improve it a bit. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let me know down below what accessories I should make next. Thanks for watching.